Good morning children, how are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe, okay? And you are learning a lot of things through this online classes as well as the YouTube videos, okay? So, this is the class 5 children. Class 5 children, I hope you have completed the worksheet number 1. Most of them you have completed. Only one child has completed this. Please do the homework as much as possible. Please, we are giving the homework everything, okay children? Yes. So, here we are starting the new lesson number 2 worksheet as we have completed the lesson number 2 also. So, here we are going to do the worksheet 1. The page number is 7, okay? As you can see the page number 7, okay? Read and answer. Read the passage first, okay? Bats are blind but they use their ears to find their way. So bats are the mammals, you know children, yes, and they are the what you call as they are nocturnal animals. Nocturnal animals which are active in the night time, okay, and they are blind. They can't see with their eyes, okay. Now let us see what are the other things. But they use their ears to find their way. How they are using to find its way? When we can see, if we are closing the eyes, what we can see? We can hear. So they are using their ears to find its way, okay. This puts them among a very select group of animals. So what makes them to select with a different group? Only this one, because they are blind and they can hear with the ears, okay. The animals in the group also includes whales and dolphins, okay. In this like they are using their ears to find the way. This type of species, this type of animals are including the whales and dolphins also, okay. Now next one, they all use ultrasound, which is a special noise. So what do you mean by ultrasound, children? It is a sound which ultra, like ultra means what you call as, it has a extra wave different in waves, okay. That is called as ultrasound, okay. So ultrasound, which is a special noise, yes. These frequencies are little bit different in nature, okay. To do what the other animals to do with their eyes, yes. So when they have the eyes and they have the ears, then it will be different for them, right? Different from them, okay. So they have their special, what you call as speciality in them, special features in them, that they can navigate with the help of ears, okay. Now, next. This skill allows bats to hunt for food, okay. So this ears are very sharp now. So what it is used for? For hunting the food. It also helps them avoid obstacles in their path as they fly in the dark, okay. So see, when we are open the eyes and we are walking, then we found that so many obstacles are fine and we can cross it. But if we are closing our eyes and then we are walking, so many obstacles we can't clarify them, right? So it's their speciality that they have the ears and they can clear all the obstacles because of the ears, okay. Most of them they avoid it, okay, in the dark, yes. It even lets them communicate with other bats. So it is also better for them to communicate with the other bats. How they communicate with the ears, how they navigate with the ears. They are blind in nature, so they have the speciality, right? Yes. Communicate, you know, no? Yes. How the students communicate with the students and how the friends are communicate with each other, right? That one, okay. Next. Bats use special noises which sounds like screeches to create little echoes. Okay, they use a special noises beta, like they are using for the screeches and to create the echoes. Echoes means like it is a reflection of sound that is called as echoes. Okay, and when these noises bounce back to the bat is able to understand its surrounding. See how the nature has given the speciality, right? When they are creating these echoes, they can able to see this, they can able to hear that sound and they can understand everything. Even it is a size of the object also they can understand, right? And where they are, suppose they are in the forest, they can hear. Suppose they are in the like in the traffic area, they can. But nobody can in the traffic area, right? Like if it is very near to nature, they can able to understand its surroundings. Okay. A bat's ears often appear quite large compared to the size of the head. So their ears are larger in its size, more than its head. Okay. Depending on where the sound hits the folds of the bat ear, the bat can tell where an object is. Okay, so this is also where, even from the ears of what it can understand where the object is, and even the object size of the object also it can differentiate. The strength of the echo can tell that the bat how large the object is. Yes, now I told the size of the object. That is strength of the echo, that reflection of sound. What is the sound? If it is small, then it will be low sound, and it will be large, means it will be large sound, like that. Okay. A moving object has a different echo from a still object. The sound is louder if the object is coming closer, and softer it is going away. This is important. It helps the bat to find the insects to eat. Yes. So if any of the moving object is coming closer to us, then their echoes will be more, and if it is going away, then the echoes will be less. So these are the differences which can find the bat to recognize and to trap the insects and to hunt their food also. Okay, this process is very natural for the bat. It works so well that the bat doesn't care that it is as blind as a bat. Yes, it can see with its ears. So even though bat is blind, but its ears are so what you call special in nature, that it, it can do anything for this. So they are very special, right? So the process this is a very natural process, and it works so well that bat doesn't care, and it is as blind as a bat. Means if a bat is blind, do you know, like as white as blue as sky, as grey as ashes, so as blind as bat. Okay, this is what you call as metaphors or similes. Yes, tick the correct answers. A bat cannot, what it cannot, here only the first thing, blind, it cannot see. Here you can tick. Okay, fly, yes, they can scream, they can fly. Okay, some other animals that use ultrasound to see are what? Whales and fish, crabs and dolphins. Whales and dolphins, yes, this is whales and dolphins, you can find in the passage. Okay, in order to understand its surroundings, a bat uses what? Its wings, sound and echoes, or its head? Yes, it uses its sounds and echoes. This special skill helps bats to what? Protect themselves, hunt for food, or communicate with dolphins. They are communicating with the dolphins, or they are communicating with each other? Yes, they are communicating with each other. Protect themselves, it's there, but basically it is for hunt for food. Okay, from the as per the passage. Okay, match sentences to complete the information about bats. The special noises that bats make, what are they? Help them to move and hunt. Okay, a bat's ear appear large compared to its head. A bat can see with its ears. Yes, as blind as a bat. Okay, so please write your name here, class here. So which class you are? 5th class. Date you write. Okay children, so I hope you have understand so many things, and just take care beta, and please do the homework and please send into the WhatsApp group. I want each and every child has to do this. Okay children, take care beta, bye bye.